Alright, so I have a visitor, the kitty. I should move my computer over here so it's easier for me to see, because otherwise the TV, I'm facing my computer and the TV's behind me. So I have to constantly turn my head or turn my body. Or move my TV down. No, I can't move my TV there. I need to move my computer is what I need to do. I just hate to because well, I have a plug-in right there. Sorry. Anyway, let's get back to this layout. Okay, so I'm using cardstock from the cardstock add-on kit. And that triangular pattern is from Chamel's Little by Little, Higgledy Piggledy from my stash. The aqua pattern is from Vicky Booten, All the Good Things, called The Little Things. I'm using that heart washi tape that came in a past kits. And I'm using that strip, it's a sticker, and from Echo Park's Head Over Heels. And from my stash, I purchased the sticker sheets from Tuesday Morning. That love ticket, that is Pebbles, yours truly from my stash. And this is a picture of Alex. He was doing like the whole punching, like he's putting up his dukes. And we were in the Villages, getting a bite to eat at our favorite Mexican restaurant. And then just going for a walk and just having some time together with me, him, and his son. And so, let's see here. I'm using mostly that strawberry stamp, looks like a stamp, and the I love you tag. Those are from the crepe paper main squeeze die cuts. Otherwise, you see I'm holding the sticker sheet there because that's what I'm using for the rest, including my title. The Head Over Heels was just a really large sticker, which I cut all the words apart. So that way I could position them how I wanted. And then my layers behind my photo are just papers that I had left over from previous layouts, which unfortunately I don't have the branding strips for. So I'm just gonna work on my layers. I put them in the bottom right next to my card I'm going to use for journaling, in the top right just below my title, and then I'm going to do a layer at the bottom left of the photo. And so now I am going to show you how I make my flyers. So these are the Valentine's Day ones I was saying that I made, and I just cut them into strips. And I'm going to punch out the ones that I want to use using my 1-inch circle punch that I purchased from Walmart. I want to say it's American Crafts, but I don't remember. It's been a long time since I've had these. See, there it is. So there they are. Then those are the I don't know, they're a clear epoxy sticker that you put over top. And then I'm gonna place them, and then I will put foam on the back so they are raised like a real flare. And then when I do that, then that pretty much completes the layout. So I'll let you go ahead and finish watching, and I will be back with more. Thanks, guys. Bye.